YouTube family? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy DaRealTerranceR. This is my 5-month, 5-month lock update. I'm so excited, you guys. This is my second lock journey. I started my first set of locks April the 15th, 2012. And I started my second locks April the 18th, 2020 of this year. Alright, so September the 18th of 2020 makes me 5 months lock, you guys. And next month I'll be 6 months locks. 6 month locks. Wow, I'll be 6 month lock. Next month on the 18th as well. That'll be my half year mark on 1 year, you guys. I'm so excited right now. I'm gonna show you what the locks looking like right now. Before I get to that, the product that I use Jamaican mango lime, almond oil with manuka honey and moringa seed oil in it. Also, I use Jamaican mango lime shampoo with the moringa seed oil and manuka honey as well. That's in it. And I also use the jaded locking gel. That's all I use. I haven't used no Talil YG, no Jamaican mango lime locking gel, resistant gel, no Talil YG tight hold, resistant hold. All I used was pure aloe vera, tea tree oil, and honey. That's all I use. Which my dietitian, Latoya, she makes her own locking gel product. And that's all I've been using, you guys. And right now, I am 5 months in. I can't believe you guys will check me out.
When I hit him with this whole 100 round,
My style
young
for
dog
my
in the
5 month
club with my
lock
Glock. You wanna play it, then this bitch going down. We ain't hesitating, bullies get the blazing. I'ma lay him down like he in a lounge. Walk him down, 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 walk him down,
Alright, here's my
walk him
back.
down.
Y'all see that growth on it for 5 months? So yes, that's what my hair looking like right now. At 5 months in. Like I said, shout out to everybody that been supporting me on my lock journey. Don't forget, you guys, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs it up, share, like, and subscribe. You know, your boy back in the lock game. I just cut my first set this year, which was April the 16th, I think. April the 16th or the 15th. I was 7 years and 9 months or 8 months, something like that. But yeah, like I said, I made a video about why I made a decision and what I learned from that. So don't forget, you guys, thumbs this video up again, like, share, and subscribe. Y'all know my famous motivation quote, man. Y'all know how I go. Keep it happy, keep it nappy, keep it locked. Embrace the lock journey. I'm out. Peace. One love. Stay locked.
She ain't never give a